I wanted to show y'all my invention. It is a metal crochet hook or knitting needle that I cut the top off of. Can't tell. And I glued with E6000. It is kind of like an eye hook that can free spin. It spins freely. And a CD that is glued to the knitting needle. And I'll have to show you how it works. As you see here, you actually slide the yarn down over the eye hook and onto the knitting needle, and it sits on the base, which is the CD. And as you pull, it unravels much easier because it is on a spinning loop.